Our dryer vent cleanings are very thorough as we go step by step through a 22-point inspection process. During this process, we ensure that everything about your vent is safe to use and up to code. Once everything passes our 22-point inspection, we will perform our cleanings from the outside of your home to the back of the dryer using our commercial-grade, truck-mounted lint extraction system or with our very own Vent Vision polishing system. Either cleaning method is guaranteed to leave your vent spotless. Once the cleaning has been completed from the outside of your home, we will come inside and vacuum out the lint trap as needed. What to look out for and avoid. Companies showing up with a small shop vac and a store-bought cleaning kit. Although this kit can be handy for a homeowner to use on a short vent or between professional cleanings, it will not properly clean your vent, leaving dangerous, flammable lint behind. Companies without a tall ladder. To properly clean a vent you need to get to the vent termination on the exterior of the home because that is where most of the lint clogs up. Unless it is reachable from a window, it is not cleanable from the inside of your home. This is most important if the vent leads out to the roof. If your vent goes to the roof, it must be cleaned from the roof, not the attic. Call Advanced Dryer Vent today at 888-875-8368. Advanced Dryer Vent.